Hello dear students, in this video I am going to teach you how to calculate a regression equation with the help of the Python. Okay, so here first of all you need to import the libraries, and two important libraries for calculating regressions are the pandas and the stat model. Okay, so first of all I will import a pandas, import pandas as pd, and import the stats models dot api as sm. Okay, so now run this code. Okay, I have successfully executed this code, and further now I need to import the file. Okay, here I will be doing a regression analysis. So I'm giving my file name a df data frame, and that is now pd dot read, okay, dot csv. Okay, now you need to copy the path of the file. So our file, go to the home and see that our file is the quote equity svi. Now I have copied the copy path. Click on copy path. I have copied this path and paste here. Okay, paste here and close with bracket, and now execute this cell as well. Okay, after executing, so I have successfully executed. Now type a df and run once again, and you will see that I have successfully fetched the data related to the SBI bank. Okay, stock of SBI. Okay, State of Bank of India. So you can see that the our file shows the opening, closing, and high low price data. And here I will try to show how a previous closing price affect the current closing price. Okay, so here the closing price current must be is being affected by the previous close price. Okay, here you can write for closing price y, a is the intercept and b is the coefficient of previous close, that is x. Okay, so this is known as the regression. So this is the regression, and you will be solving this regression. We will solve the coefficient a and b. A is the intercept term and b is the coefficient of x. B shows the effect of change in the x on the y. Okay, so it will show that what will be a change in the variable y when x changes by 1 unit. Okay, so now I will separate the data. Okay, so here I am writing, and suppose our closing price is y. Our closing price is y, that is the df, and you can type here close. Okay, now I am running this as well. Okay, or this is the error, this showing error terms. So I need to remove some commas or the spaces. Okay, there might be a spaces in our data, so we need to clean this data. So I'm writing here df columns equal to df dots columns. Okay, I'm cleaning here data dot str dot strip and I'm writing here like this. So here I have cleaned the data, and you also can convert the all the capital letter into the small letter. Okay, so you can write here str dot lower and run this code as well. Okay, so you can write here df column and run this cell as well. So you can see here that the all capital letters have been converted into the small letter. Okay, so it would help us to type the data correctly. Okay, now you can see what is the data type. Okay, d type. D type mean types of data. Okay, so you can see here that these are object float. So we cannot run our operations on the object. I am considering the previous close and close, so both of these are the floats, so we can run our code or formula, okay, on the float. Okay, so we don't need to convert data into a different form. Okay, so I will proceed now that I will define the data. So y is our y is the dependent variable, that is the close. Okay, so I will write here close. Okay, this is our dependent variable. Okay, now you can run this code. Okay, execute this code, and now I need to define x as well. X is equal to df, or this is equal to the previous close. Okay, this is equal to the previous close. Now I'm writing this previous dot close, and okay, now I'm running this as well. So I have successfully defined our y and x variable. Okay, so now you need to proceed further. Here I will add a constant. Okay, x equal to x equal to x equal to sm, that is a state model. Add the constant, that is the intercept term constant, and our independent variable is x. Okay, now you need to run. Okay, okay, this is also correct. Okay, now I need to put this value in the formula. Okay, so that is now our model is equal to sm dot ols, ordinary least square, and our dependent variable is y. Okay, and our independent variable is x. Okay, dot fit. Now run this code. Okay, okay, I have successfully executed this code as well. Now further I need to see summary model dot summary. Okay, that is the SS summary, and click on execute. Okay, so this is our regression result. This is our regression result. You can see here that the dependent variable is close and independent variable is previous close. Okay, r square value is 0.98. Okay, 0.98 r square means the 98% change in our close price is being explained by the previous close. Okay, so previous close and close are very closely related to the each other. Okay, and further you can see here that further our constant is 3 point, that is 3.7993, and standard error 5.6, and our p value is greater than 0.05. So this seems, it seems statistically insignificant. So our constant value is not reliable, and our coefficient of previous close is 0.99, and its p value is almost 0. So this is statistically significant, or this is reliable, effective. Okay, and the p value of uh, okay, and okay, and this does not seems normal distribution, because the p value is less than 0.05 for Jack Barra JB. Okay, so here the p value must be greater than 0.0405 for a distribution to be a normal distribution. Okay, this is not a normal distribution, and the value of kurtosis is 2i, that is 41. Okay, so this is not a normal distribution. Okay, this is not a normal distribution, and the value of, okay, still we can say here that there is a strong relationship between the close current period close price and the previous period close price, and you can write here like this. You can write here like this, our y, that is the current period close price, is equal to, that is the 3.779, and plus there is a positive relationship, this is the 0.99, 0.996, and x is the previous close. So this is the equation for regression. This is very simple, and this you can write here. Okay, further you also can create a prediction for this, and for calculating the prediction, okay, prediction for existing data, that is the prediction, and you need to write here the model dot predict and type here x, and run this, and further write a prediction and execute this, and you can say here predictions is not defined. Okay, there is some problem here. Prediction p must be a capital. Okay, p must be a capital. So here these are the prediction. Okay, you also can do a prediction with the help of regression model. So this was a very simple regression model. Okay, uh, multiple regression model is more reliable and more authentic as comparison to the simple regression model. What still, for rudimentary understanding the or fundamental understanding, the simple regression is very important. Okay, so I have completed our today lecture on the regression, simple regression. Okay, in a next video I will teach you how to calculate a regression through Python, or multiple regression through a Python. Okay, that is going to be a very important lecture, so please don't miss. Okay, thanks for watching.